Hey, what is up, entrepreneurs? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I want to cut this quick video because I really want to share with you some tools. Some tools. And I entitled this YouTube video, uh, My Favorite Tools for Building My Affiliate Marketing or Home Based Business. And I think these are tools. These are some of my favorite tools. And I think that, sharing with this can help you. And here we go. But before I do that, I do want to remind you that this is your first time on my channel. First of all, welcome. I do want to remind you that if this is your first time and you are a home business entrepreneur, or if you're an affiliate marketer and want to learn how to use the power of the internet to help you build your business successfully using the power of the internet, you come to the right channel. On this channel, we focus on mindset, focus on marketing, focus on tools, and we focus on tips to help you build your business. So if you do find value in that kind of information, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give me a like, give me a share, give me a comment. If you do find some kind of value in this video, I do want to hear, I really want to hear what you have to say. So, my favorite tools for building my affiliate marketing business or home-based business. So, my first tool that I really, really love, and I've been using this tool, and you've probably seen this in my previous videos, is that I love Neurogym. I love Neurogym. And Neurogym, love their program called Winning the Game of Money. And I will leave a link for all of these tools so that you can kind of look at them yourself to see if there's something that you can put into your business. And because I think these are things that have helped me to have the right mindset and develop the right skills. So the first thing again is the Winning the Game of Money system by John Assaraf. And I recommend that first because, as you build your business, if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to have the right mindset, or if you don't have the right mindset, you have to develop the mindset of an entrepreneur, the mindset of someone that has a growth mindset instead of someone that has a poverty mindset, or a mindset that doesn't it's not built on some kind of faith or a hope knowing that you will achieve success in your business. So the Winning the Game of system by John Assaraf, that system is definitely one of my favorite tools that I use in my business because it really helps me to make sure I'm always developing that mind. So the Win the Game of Money system by John Assaraf, that's my number one tool, my mindset. The second tool is Myleadsystempro, or MLSP. And this is basically an attraction marketing system. It's an affiliate marketing system. It's a training platform to help you as an entrepreneur learn how to brand yourself, learn how to, get people coming to you. There's just a lot of different trainings and resources and tools within this program. And it's a great community too as well. So that'll help you, brand yourself. So that's my second favorite tool, Myleadsystempro, or they call it MLSP. My third favorite tool is Freedom Finders. Freedom Finders is a program that helps you find people to talk to about your business, generally about 3 to 5 people a day, if you purchase views from them. And there's also just a great community of people that are entrepreneurs from different companies. They're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, direct sales, but they also use this system to help them find people to talk to about their business. So that's my third tool, Freedom Finders. My fourth tool is the 301k challenge. And this is a challenge from Igor Kafitz. Igor Kafitz is the number one, probably one of the best affiliate marketers that you ever want to learn from, because he knows copywriting. He's a master at traffic. He finds the latest places that you can get traffic. He has a mastermind. He has just so many things, and he started not being successful. He started failing, but just I've learned so many things that I can apply as far as, email marketing, as far as traffic, as far as, funnels, as far as bridge pages, as far as developing capture pages. You'll learn that through this 301k challenge. Um, the next tool that I love is, well, it's two. It's two, and that's probably two different autoresponders that I use to build my lists. Um, the first one is Aweber, and the second one is GetResponse. These are my go-to autoresponders that I use to email my personal list that I build, or that I'm building, and to follow up with autoresponder series, and to send daily emails to my list of people. So I have two lists, one with Aweber and one with GetResponse. Um, and again, these are autoresponders, but again, I'll leave links at the bottom of this video of all these tools that I'm recommending so that you can check them out yourself. And lastly, my favorite tool that I use for building my affiliate marketing business and my home-based business is a tool called Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere. And this is a Google Chrome extension. And I love this tool because this helps me to really key in on my videos of what I want to talk about. So with this tool, you install this tool. It's a free tool. And again, you can find it on Google Chrome. It's an extension. You can download to your computer. But what happens is that when I'm searching on titles to do my YouTube videos, um, I can find out what people are searching for through Google, so that I can make videos around those keywords. So I call it Keywords Everywhere. So that when I make a video, I know that people will see or have an interest already in my video before I make it. So I don't really make content, or I don't make videos unless I know people are looking for it. And I find those keywords using this Keywords Everywhere tool. Like I said, you can find that people may be searching for a certain keyword, a couple hundred a month or thousands a month. But if I find a keyword that I really like, I always make sure that it's at least 1,000 people searching for that keyword, so that I know that when I do a video like this and I put in the title, that it's something that I know that people are already searching for every month in Google. So there you have it. Those are my favorite tools to help grow my affiliate marketing or home-based business. Now, if you're new, I don't suggest that you try to use all of the tools. Maybe pick you one or maybe two tools that you would like to try. Um, but those are my favorite tools. I to this day, right now, use these tools consistently to build my business, to build my list, to grow my mindset, to help brand myself, to help uh, communicate with my own personal email list, and of course to do videos like this, because I know what keywords that people are actually looking for, that are home business entrepreneurs, that are affiliate marketers, or that want to just learn how to make money online. So I hope you got some value from this video. It's late, so I'm getting ready to head to bed, but I will see you guys on the next video. Again, this is Billy Josie in Jacksonville, Florida. Again, if you like this video, give me a like, and I would love to have you as a subscriber if you're not already a subscriber on my channel. Again, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here in Jacksonville, Florida. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you.